National Anthem.
As president, I am determined to end this cycle. On the day of my inauguration, I promise that that my administration will address all the issues impeding investment and economic growth in Nigeria. This promise is why I saw an end to the fuel subsidy. It is the reason the central bank has called an end to its multiple exchange rate system. It won't happen under my watch. It's for this same reason we gather here today to inaugurate the Presidential Committee on Fiscal Policy and Tax Reform. The committee has been established to address the broad physical challenges facing our economy. Its mandate shall be divided into three broad areas. These are: 1. Fiscal governance. B. Tax reforms. And third, growth facilitation.
We must be committed to establishing a conducive policy environment to attract global and local businesses and position our nation as a hub for research and development, technology and innovation, headquarters location, financial and shared services center for the continent. Our approach will be comprehensive and long-term focused, addressing fiscal concerns related to sustainable development goals as well as multidimensional poverty, ensuring responsible energy transition, and a coordinated strategy to elevate revenue reporting and quality of spending. Empirical data affirms that Nigerians are willing to fulfill their tax obligations when they see meaningful returns on their tax contributions. We must therefore be intentional in renewing the social contract and, more importantly, act in the best interest of our nation.
I think this is why the agenda for this committee is so important to what we at the World Bank are here to help Nigeria do. And so I'm very honored that I was invited to be part of this. Support, most of the financing that we provide is directly for services like primary health care, electricity access, rural roads. Those are things that what we look forward to a day where Nigeria is fully financing those from its own government resources. And so I would love to see a day where the work of this committee lays the foundation for making our financing redundant. We are always here to help in other ways by sharing the experience and knowledge of what's worked in other countries. But in terms of, could not be happier if Nigeria gets to the point where it's generating enough of its own revenues in a way that's actually helping create the space for private investment, for families to flourish, and does not need to come to the World Bank for financing.
Nigeria has huge potential for revenue mobilization that should be sufficient to cater for our people without resorting to excessive borrowing, which often crowd out the private sector and limit our ability to finance sustainable development, create jobs and prosperity for Nigeria. From our engagement with various stakeholders so far, the message has been clear, and we recognize the sense of urgency to address the various tax and fiscal impediment facing businesses, both large and small.